You find the perfect home, you submit an offer, and it gets instantly rejected. Why? Because you showed up with a pre-qualification letter instead of a true mortgage pre-approval. Many buyers use these terms interchangeably, but sellers and real estate agents certainly do not. Pre-qualification is just a quick estimate. It is based on unverified information you tell a lender about your income and debts. It takes 5 minutes, and honestly, it carries very little weight in a competitive market. A pre-approval, however, is the real deal. This is where a lender actually verifies your tax returns, pay stubs, and pulls your credit report. It proves to the seller that you have the financial backing to actually close the deal. In today's tight housing market, submitting an offer without a formal pre-approval letter means your offer goes straight to the bottom of the pile. Do not wait until you find a house to start this process. Get your pre-approval letter in hand before you start looking at properties with an agent. Head over to bettermortgagerates.com to learn how to prepare your documents. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.